back with another YouTube video. Today, guys, gonna be playing with my slime. It might look white or some color in the camera, but it's green. If it doesn't look good in the camera and you see green, then it is white because it is green. I made it like a second ago. And yeah. And it's a lot of slime, guys. And can I please say something? I really want to make it up to 100 subscribers. So tell anybody that that you wanna subscribe. Tell anybody to subscribe to me and tell them that I want to get up to 100. Tell their friends to subscribe to me, and you guys even subscribe to me. Because I really, please want to get up to 100. I'm only at 12, so can you guys make me all get up to 100? I hope you guys will. And I'm going to show you with my slime what I like to do. Okay, ready? Okay, get a little flat. Okay. Okay, ready? Yep, take it and go. So you keep going. And then voila. And another thing that I really like to try, this is fluffy slime, but with Tide slime, you can make it bigger. So, I'm going to show you what I really like to do with it, okay? Okay. Yes, I made a good bubble, guys. You see that? No, don't pop. It is filling that bubble. Do you see that, guys? Whoa, I just blowed on it. And then, I like to pop the bubbles. But sometimes there's no bubbles. Are you ready, guys? Now I'm going to make another one. See if that one gets bigger or not bigger. Smaller. Wow. Okay. This slime is amazing. No. Gonna fall on the floor. Oh, yeah, guys, slime's the best. If you guys ever want to make it, Tide slime is glue, Tide, and water, and fluffy slime is shaving cream, activator, glue, and food coloring. But you can make it white with no food coloring. So first you put in 1 cup of glue. And then you put in your food coloring if you want. You don't have to, as much as you want. And then for the shaving cream, you put in 1 cup of shaving cream, put it in the bowl mix, and then put another 2 cups of shaving cream. Then put it in the bowl and mix. And then you put the activator, 5 spoonfuls of it. And you can put more if it's too sticky for you. And then your slime can turn out amazing. But it won't turn out like not it will turn out sticky at first, maybe. Because it did with mine, it like got all over my hands. That's why I had to put more activator in, because it was like that. And this is what I really like. It's so satisfying. Only YouTubers do this, but some people do it. Ready? Slime's the best. And I also love to do this with my awesome slime. Okay. Tide slime makes bigger bubbles than this. Okay, I'm gonna do the tapping thing one more time, my guys. One more time. Where it goes like that. Hear that? So satisfying. I'm gonna make like a walkway, so it's gonna be like this. Ready? This is and then you come through here. And then you get married here, Donna. Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me playing with my slime. Hope you guys subscribe, like the video, and also the bells always have to ring. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Oh no guys, you fell. So sorry about that. I'm gonna end this video. That's what I did. Okay, ready? It might look blue. Ready? Okay. I'm gonna put up the slime. Okay, now guys. Go.